morning and welcome back to the videos. I'm just on the way to work, outdoor photo shoot today. New team kit has dropped. I'm 2 days into my antibiotics now. Can't believe how quickly they've worked. Feeling a million times better. Anyway, better crack on. I am actually going to be late.
Alright, Gabbers. How are we? Alright. Hello, my friends.
How are you? Pink ladies. Chest is alright. Antibiotics work very fast.
Yeah.
You look fucking ridiculous. Your glasses are inside your helmet straps. That's why.
Oh.
Now you look fine.
Now I look fine.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
The jizz shake is back.
When's the last time we had a jizz shake?
Was it when we did the caps and like came here with Stu?
We came here with Stu and...
Yeah, jizz shake back then.
Yeah.
We had every colour of smoothie, didn't we?
We did. And all pizza.
You getting a pizza now?
No.
What?
None of us have actually ordered
if
pizza.
I wanted to get my training done this morning, then have pizza, but I failed. I've trained later, so I don't have pizza before.
Gonna eat that before a training session.
Yeah, the training session's later.
It's not till 6.
George is giving us some gifts. Let's see.
George is giving us some gifts.
Are you going to put them on? So we're just trying to find a location to take some shots of the new kit. This is it. Previously we just had skin suits ready. That way, down to the river. Now we've got gilets, jersey, shorts, bit of training kit.
Down to the river.
Can you go down to the river?
Yeah, you see these steps here? Oh wait.
There's not much down there.
Why did you bring such ridiculous glasses for this photo shoot? I need my models on point.
I've ridden 5 kilometres. These are my 5 kilometre glasses. I can still model in these.
Are you chilly? Freezing.
It's really good.
How was Wales? You rode across Wales.
Yeah, it was nice actually. Chilly in it in Wales.
A lot of climbing.
Yeah. And then, yeah, it's beautiful. And it only rained once.
I feel bad for you because you were there with Louise and Helena, who are lovely, but also they're tiny. So you didn't get any draft benefit whatsoever, and you were a giant.
It's always like this, trying to get some drafting benefits.
I think she's cold.
God, the sun's out. The sun's out and the guns are out. He's doing irreparable damage to his Watsons with his jumping.
Cleats or balls? Both. I don't know if I trust George.
Wearing a helmet.
I am quite heavy for a cyclist.
I am very strong, so it's not a problem. Yeah?
That was dangerous.
Do you feel like you've got a new body?
What?
I don't know.
No, when I was sat on his shoulders, we were one.
Power Ranger, yeah.
Power Rangers, could they all go into one?
More like in Toy Story when Sid sews toys together. More like horrific Frankenstein.
Yeah.
That was fun though. We should do that again. Yeah, a lot. Oh, no, I really did hurt myself. My viewers keep asking if we're going to sell this kit. We're going to sell this kit.
We are, yeah, because we've had quite a few people ask, and so it's a great way to support the team and to support Unicycle as well. So yes, we're going to make some available online. There's a pre-order.
Yeah. As of tomorrow? This exact one.
Keep spinning.
Specimen could be yours.
Not George, the
Not
jersey.
George,
You could buy me.
How much is the jersey?
Same as all the other Attacus jerseys. 75? Is that
Less
right?
than 170.
Less than £107. So you could buy for £107 a jersey and a George.
I feel like I'm being undervalued here. Buy it.
Put a link down below to the thing.
Bring down below. Do you people know what this is? Should we say what this is? If you buy a jersey, some money goes towards this, which is supporting not just our women's team, but other women's racing teams across the country that we support and we donate money to. Wherever you see that logo, that means we've put money aside from the sale to help support other women's racing.
And if you're a team and you think, oh, we could do with some support, you can apply to receive support from the Unicycle Fund pot. So each time we build up enough money for it to be a worthwhile amount, we'll then accept applications for people to say we need the money for entering a race or buying a certain bit of equipment or something like that, and we can decide what to do with that pot of money.
Yeah, so some women's teams have just used it for their entry for the Women's Tour of Sussex to help them fund the cost of entry and staying there and stuff like that, because that's like a 4 or 5 day race, quite expensive. So we've used the donations from the pot to help fund them.
So the more people that buy the jersey, the more money the Unicycle Foundation has. Same for the Unicycle t-shirt. The more people buy it, the bigger the pot of money is. More support for women's racing, which is always a good thing because there needs to be more women's racing.
What about you, Mr. CADE? You've got the race team kit now, so it's almost time for you to come do a race with me, isn't it?
We were talking about it, weren't we?
I need all the help I can get, so who better to help me than you?
Can I get a day licence to be a fourth cat?
Yes, please.
I don't know how you can help yourself. Apart from that,
I've got her how?
fully shave your legs.
Fully.
Lose the
It's
bush.
gone.
The upper bush is gone.
Yeah, the upper bush is no longer there, really.
Oh, so you've no longer got the.
What do you mean the upper bush? Do you mean the hairy pants?
Yeah, the hairy pants.
The hairy boxer shorts.
Hairy boxer shorts. I mean, they're not. They're a little bit. Every 5 minutes in, I get a bit tired. I get army.
Jess is laughing because she's got hairy boxer shorts. Do you not have hairy boxer shorts?
No, do you?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Maybe I'm the only one here.
Yeah.
Obviously I've been putting in zero effort on the bike all day just because of the whole chest infection thing. However, I am feeling alright. Antibiotics just work so quickly, I think as long as I back it off for the next couple of days, finish the course, I'll be good. It's a bit of a shame because the weather's really good today. I would have liked to have gone out a bit longer, gone into the hills and actually got some training in, but cannot complain. Easy spin back. I've got a bit of bike maintenance to do. A couple of upgrades. One thing that I picked up when I was in Tel Aviv, I'll show you in a minute. Too hot for a gilet today. Quick bike swap. So my rear brakes started acting funny when we were riding across Israel the other day. Turns out the pads were completely worn out and the rear rotor is a little bit out of true. Just gonna run down to the bike shop, drop this off, give it a bit of a service because it's had some serious miles. Bike's in the good hands of Surbiton Cycles. Always support your local bike shop. Disc brakes, don't really trust myself to set them up. So these are the upgrades that I was talking about. The distributor very kindly gave me these to try, Tubelitos, when I was in Tel Aviv. Basically what they are is a really light 39 grams inner tube, and it's orange. And apparently they're twice as robust as a normal B12 tube. Now, as you know, I am a big fan of light inner tubes. I think switching to latex inner tubes is the single best upgrade you can do to your bike. It's a very cheap upgrade, but it improves ride quality massively. It's like going from clinchers to tubs. I believe they're slightly faster as well, and they're super light. These are a little bit different. They're not latex, but they're a very unusual material. It doesn't say what they're made of here, but I'm sure you can find out online. I have some new tyres on the way, so I'm going to pop these in soon, and I'll let you know what I think. They're fairly pricey compared to normal inner tubes. I think they're about 20 quid a pop, but if any of you guys have used them, put in the comments below. Let me know what you thought. It sounds expensive, but in the grand scheme of things, it's still a pretty cheap upgrade. You've got people spending thousands of pounds on wheels and handlebars, things like that. This could make just as much difference to your speed. Since a few people have been asking, it has been a while.